It's not actually easy to be a linguist. To be a linguist is to go through constantly lots of changes in your life. It's to be ready to embrace change. It's to be ready to accept the fact that facts change. There is no constant fact. Whatever you learned at school, at university, or in any field experience may change constantly. To be a linguist is to always try to seek for the best knowledge that serves the purpose of delivering beautiful language to help people understand that language learning and discovering languages is so beautiful. To be a linguist is to be able to know about French, Italian, and Spanish equally without the necessity to speak these languages. To be a linguist is to have encyclopedic knowledge about the world languages, dialects, and accents. To be a linguist is not necessarily to be able to show that this language is more superior to other languages. To be a linguist is to constantly chisel your skills and your experiences and your field observation. To be a linguist is to have an eagle eye on all global languages, to understand that the purpose of language is to serve social need and necessity, and that is to help people understand each other and collaborate to achieve a mutual purpose. To be a linguist is actually to let people know that languages are equally important. All of them have beautiful aspects. They are different, and part of the beauty of languages is that they are different. If we all speak one language, it's going to be very boring. So understanding how language systems work is very beautiful, and this is your job as a linguist. As a linguist, you need to attend conferences, whether these conferences are virtual conferences or real conferences. To be a linguist is to modestly tell people that you don't know everything about a language. Part of the journey of language learning is that we are not going to get to an end and saturation level in our knowledge and learning because every day things change. And this is part of how language is beautiful. We constantly discover new things. We constantly find new language universes. To be a linguist is to think of English as a complete universe in and of itself, and Spanish and German and Russian. These are universes, language universes. They have their own systems, mechanism, ecology, and behavior. Try to be open-minded because this is what is necessary to be a linguist, to discover, to be curious and perseverant. To be a linguist is to be insatiable with your journey with language and to always try to be curious to discover new realities in other languages and how they contribute to how the societies interact with each other. This is my message to you. If you start your career as a linguist, as a language researcher, as a language learner, you always have to be curious. Curiosity is the optimal level of becoming professional linguist in English or in other languages, or linguistician. To be a linguist is to have encyclopedic knowledge and to have insatiable curiosity to read more, discover more, explore more. Read about languages in Africa, languages in Asia, languages in North America and South America. That is going to give you global vision of how to become professional linguist. That is going to help you open your horizons, and exploration will help you become far more superior in your skills and knowledge of the Englishes around the world and other languages. That's my message to you to become a linguist. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد، ربي يحفظكم.